Okay guys, we're going to do the actual carburetor cleaning. So we got the carburetor completely off. So there you go. First thing you do is you crack these. I prefer using a screwdriver, a flathead at first. You can see the little screw heads right there have both flat and Phillips. Better to get one that's just right. Don't use a flathead that doesn't fit in there tight. You gotta have a flathead that fits in there tight. And then you crack them, all right? And we'll take all four of them out. Okay, so we got all four screws out. And usually just give it a couple whaps and it'll come off. Yep, and there you go. First thing I like to do is look. And relatively clean, honestly. Alright. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the float out, so we're going to do the needle. So you can, I'm not going to take it out. It really looks good. I'm not having issues. So we're going to just take out the jets. Okay? So you just unscrew. Take that out. Okay, and there is another jet right there. A little one. You see it? Right there. Okay, once you got that nut out, right there, you're going to go down inside here, and hold on, it's inside there, the jet, hold on, let's turn right, there we go, in there, right in there, and you're going to take your screwdriver, and right there, you're going to pop it out. See how I just popped it out? Comes out here, and then you can just pull out Mr. Jet. There you go. So that's how you pull out the jet. And then we're going to be cleaning this right here. And it's got some really small, there they are, right there. See those little holes right there? Those are some of the ones that really get clogged too. Yeah? All right.